Today's video is about the amazing Freepik Mystik, which is a bit hard to say, but it is amazing. I love this product. It's pretty new. Freepik were a company that just did photos that you could download for your designs and stuff like that. They just license images, and they took the bold step, like a lot of other companies, to get you to create your own images. Now, they could have just done any old system and just copied it and thrown it on the website like other people that I won't name, but they didn't. They took their time and they did something quite amazing. And Mystik is breathtaking and I really like it. Let's see if you do. Let's have a look. So I've just bought Freepik Mystik. Looks totally amazing. This is what it does. Freepik were a site that offered lots of images for you to download to use on your creatives, and obviously they made a massive jumping to create your own images. So I've just signed up and we're going to give it a test drive, but as you can see, they do a lot more than just the images. As you can see here, image generator, mock-up generator, background remover, expand, sketch to image, designer, reimagine, image editor, retouch, and Freepik AI. Discover how AI boosts our tools and features as well as your creativity. That will be their new stuff. And they've got photos with all the stuff that they do, all the images that they do you can download once you subscribe, depending on the level. Icons. I'm interested on the mock-ups as well, PSDs. But let's have a look at the image generator, because that's really what I'm here for, and see if it's as good as they say. So first of all, we've got to drop down here what you want to do. So you've got image generator, sketch to image, upscaler, reimagine, retouch, and expand, personalize image. We've got robot already being built underneath there, or it looks like. And these are the modes. So the mode, you have to pay for this one, but you've got flux in there as well, which is really nice. And then we've got a classic fast, and then classic, which is the model. But they are, not any detail of the image, is one click, try the upscaler. Should we try the upscaler? Select image, upscale. We'll do that first of all and let it crunch away doing that. So let's also go through. I love the menu. It's really simple. I think it's kind of weird to have all of it in Midjourney at the top, but I really like this. You've got all the different sizes, which is great. The styles, once you subscribe, you've got all these styles. Let's have a look. Should we do dark color? Let's do cloud, cold neon, camera. Let's do a wide shot. Light. I love this. This is really nice. High flash. Structure doesn't show me. Let's put that up there. And what I really liked was the AI prompt. Oh, is it going to just do it for me? Does that mean it's picked all these for me or not? Back at that, add a reference image or not? Let's see if it's changed anything that I've just done. Yeah, it has. So let's go back to dark and do exactly what I just did. Wide shot, lighting, high flash. Let's go. See what we get. Just go into history. Let's have a look. Inspiration. There's some of the images I did before. Let's have a look at this. Wow, they are very nice. Look at the detail on that. Oh, that's the way I keep pinching in. But yeah, reimagine. So I guess what you can do is go through and change the style, etc. Amazing. I love it. Would it make me change from Midjourney? Not sure, but it is very, very nice. Let's go back to my stuff. These are some of the ones I did on 27th of August. Some idea. Very, very nice. It's a bit slow because the internet connection is not perfect here. This is excellent. Excellent. Let's do some more. See what we've got here. Come out of that. Wow. It's good, isn't it? It is good. And what I want to know really is, how does Runway deal with these images? Because that's what I'm using to create video right now. So let's have a look. Let's just download it first. That would be a good idea. Where we going back to the wrong place. Download. As I say, the connection here is not amazing. Here we go. Click generate now because it's already done it. There's the image. So I like it. let's do something. So I'm just going to ChatGPT now, and then we're just going to give it some prompts. So give me an image prompt, a image generator for a series of robots in New York. Okay, I'm just going to use this one. Go back, put that in. Let's do the same kind of thing. Let's see what we get then. Let's have a look. Our generated video. Well, it certainly knows what that is, which is great. Look at that. Robot turns to the camera. Let's do one for that. And let's do dynamic motion. I always like as a quick test. Okay, it's going off. What it did today. We see what else it can do. Expand. Let's look at that one. Expand. So we're gonna make it square, shall we? That's the original. Wow. So it creates it as you look. Amazing. So it's created 16 different versions of that already. I can upscale here, which is brilliant. Can retouch. It's looking pretty nice, isn't it? Really nice. Oh, then we can actually move stuff. That's excellent. I love that idea. So you can remove the background, head, body, everything. Really like that. And then you can lasso as well. Well, I love it. I really love it. I think it's an excellent product. Would I change from Midjourney or my new love? Oh, something went wrong. That was me. I change. I'm not sure, but there are some amazing images on here. As I say, the connection is a bit slow there. What do you think? Would it be for you? Would it be your kind of thing? Is it good enough for you to swap? Would you consider it? I don't think it's the cheapest on the market. I don't think it's maybe the most cinematic. I like Let's.ai right now and haven't explored that enough, but it is certainly up there. It's looking amazing. Mystik is very, very powerful and looks beautiful. I'd probably have to spend a little bit more time with it to make comparison, but I absolutely love it. I think it's an excellent product. They've done an excellent job, and they could have just done Flux or something, but they've really worked on producing their own. So there we go. That is Mystik by Freepik. Thanks for watching. Share and like, and leaves me to say thank you very much once again, and I'd love to see you on the next one.